Welcome to today's video. I'm diving into a fascinating experiment comparing two sourdough bread methods. Both use the exact same flour and hydration, but the process is completely different. One is a faster recipe with minimal effort, just 2 interactions with the dough and no cold fermentation. The other, more involved method with 8 interactions, overnight cold fermentation, and a bit more time commitment. Which one delivers the best result? You'll have to watch and find out. These recipes are based on my 5 years of sourdough baking experience and countless experiments with my most loved and most consumed flaxseed sourdough bread. Let's get started. First though, it's gonna be everything is so fast. Still, we're gonna check the time. 50% whole grain, 50% all-purpose flour, and salt. Because it's gonna be really quick, and make sure that salt everywhere. I mix like this. Flaxseed. Okay. Then our water. And sourdough starter, active. After, I just gonna work with my hands. Make sure that sourdough and water, they will mix really well. Okay, then just mix like this. I'm gonna clean up my hands. Okay, side of the bowl. That's it. 3 minutes, 8 seconds. Okay, we stop, 11 seconds. And we cover it and wait until double in size. And we're gonna bake it without any other process. Tomorrow, when it's gonna be double in size. See you tomorrow. Morning, everyone. We continue. As you see, the dough is double in size. What are you gonna do? I take my form and I just use my scraper and I transfer like this. That's all, that's it. And I'm gonna bake it. Less than 5 minutes. Already, it should be really hot. Already, I put my Dutch oven for my second bread with cold fermentation. It's ready. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna start, and all of the process what I'm gonna work, I'm gonna record it. 50-50. All-purpose flour, whole grain flour, 60 grams of flaxseed. First we mix together, and then our water, 535 milliliters. We mix it. When you mix, it seems that it's too much water, that after it's impossible to shape it or whatever to do with dough. But the magic of the gluten with the time and also fermentation is gonna change everything. For this, it's really important to have good quality of the spatula. And if you do a lot of sourdough baking, I'm sure that every time when you go to the shop, you're always looking good. We're gonna leave for 1 hour for the before putting some sourdough, and I'm gonna do stop. After 1 hour minimum, in my case, it's a little long. Okay, let's start. We're gonna use 200 grams of active sourdough. It's more than doubled in size, as you can see. And now I'm gonna use 200 grams. In this stage, some people use spatula, but me, I prefer to work with my hands. And just mix as you can maximum. My grandmama, she taught me every time when we do dough, the goal to keep clean the bowl. This is how I learned to knead a dough. But of course, when it's too much hydration, it's kind of hard to control, but still, we can do it. And I see that the starter almost everywhere. I'm gonna cover it and wait 30 minutes. And after, I'm gonna put my salt. I'm gonna do pause. After 1 hour, it's getting more than 30 minutes, but it's okay. Now, it's salt time. Just try to mix it well. Okay. Look at how its dough is changing because of fermentation and because of time. We can touch it, we can work it with that. And we cover. And now every 30 minutes, we're gonna just do folding process. Ideal time to do this, it should be after 30 minutes, but it's been more than 1 hour. But it's life. This is what's going on. We plan something, but after something always happening. But doesn't matter what I'm gonna do. I will try to mix a lot. So though it already looks nice, bubbly, beautiful, but it's not ready yet. It's done. We close it and voila. Let's start again. Second coil mix. We're gonna keep it 30 minutes, maximum 1 hour, around 7:38. I'm gonna transfer to fridge. Pause. We'll continue. Third coil. Next step, we're gonna shape it. Stop. Officially, after 5 hours of fermentation with sourdough, now it's time to shape dough. It's double in size. In this stage, it's really important, this kind of spatula, scraper, and it should be soft. Doesn't matter which company, just this part, it should be soft. And take it out. It will help to work with the liquid dough. Yes. It's beautiful, beautiful. Look at how it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Shh, no, please.
Not the best moment.
Okay, then our basket. And we're gonna transfer
That was the first bed.
like this. No, don't touch it, ma'am, please. Then cover it and transfer to the fridge. Morning for everyone. And my second bread, let's check at the timing. Straight away from the fridge. And you can see it's little grow. It's ready to bake. I take parchment paper and voila. I'm gonna score nicely. And my oven has been 1 hour in high temperature. Be careful, it's real hot. Our bread, opala. I'm gonna do like this. I always put some ice to have extra steam. And that's all. I'm gonna put to the oven for 20 minutes to high temperature and plus 30 minutes for 200 degrees of Fahrenheit. And it's ready. Almost 14 minutes and we stop. In 20 minutes, what I'm gonna do, I need to take out the lid and continue to bake 30 minutes more. And after it's gonna be ready. For the first bread, I did the same. Everything is ready. The last one. Ooh. I'm gonna put together with my other bread. If I will leave it in Dutch oven, it's gonna get wet. This one also, take it out, because we want our bread to breathe. Let's hear the voice of perfect bread. We're gonna leave them for a couple hours to chill out, and after we can see inside how it looks. Visually, they look same, but when I eat, I see difference. I prefer this one, overnight cold fermented one. This one, the easy one. You need to try yourself and find out, is it worth to wait this much? I hope you enjoyed seeing how these two methods compare. Whether you are looking for a quick and easy recipe or more advanced approach, there's a method here for everyone to try. If this video inspired you or helped you learn something new, don't forget to support the channel by subscribing and hitting the like button. Your support keeps me creating and sharing sourdough recipes with you. Let me know in the comment which method you'd like to try first. Happy baking and see you in next video.